Juanita!
¿Sí?
Tenemos 500 subscribers!
Thank you very much to all our followers, all people who subscribe to our channel. Thank you!
Yeah, thank you. Amazing. 500 subscribers!
We are making it! 500 more and we have 1,000! Only 500 more!
This deserves a glass of wine.
Cheers!
Hi, I'm Hannah and this is Juana.
Hola, we met in New Zealand 1 year ago. Since then, we are sailing and cycling together. Come and join us.
This is the ladies' position. We miss Nepal and India, so we thought we'd try and relive it and be like the locals. Very uncomfortable. Muy bien! Muy bien.
So I'm going to make tortillas de bacalao, a little cut omelette. This is typical from South Spain, from Malaga. It's very easy and very simple, this recipe, but this time is my second time I'm going to do it. Normally my mother, she make it and she made delicious. But me, I miss this kind of food, so I decide to cook because my mom is not here with me now. We need garlic, cod, flour, baking powder, enough. Perejil. Perejil is called parsley. Ah, egg. How many egg? Depends how many omelette you're going to make. How many flour? Depends how many omelette you want. Let's start. Hannah, where is my glass of wine? We are going to cook the cod. I'm going to put one more because we are going to make more quantity, more omelette, because we are going to give to our friend and to the neighbor, because the neighbor gave to us, what do they give?
The internet.
The internet. We were thinking about to cook a cake, but then we saw maybe the cod omelette is better because it's something different. Right. And then we cook.
This is my favourite road. It's the stretch that goes from Mum and Dad's house up to Shaftesbury, and I've cycled along here a billion times. Love it.
How to peel a garlic? Very easy. Then we take a bowl. We put the flour. How much flour? I don't know. We just put flour and we think. We can calculate how much we want. No? We put some like this. Maybe this is a lot, but we are going to do many. I don't know how. We made a hole. We put this. Put garlic.
It's not the Himalayas. There is a hill at the end, and I used to struggle getting up it, but now it's not so bad.
How many eggs? Let's say 3 eggs. You want to add a little bit saffron? How you say?
Saffron.
Saffron. You can add for the color, but we don't have, so we don't add. We should put a little bit salt. It's not necessary the salt if the cod is salty cod and you want salty and all this, so could be too salty. So
This road is never particularly busy, but now in lockdown it is deserted. There's no traffic, and you can see over the hedgerows, you can hear the birds. It is perfect cycling.
Ponemos un poco de agua de la del bacalao que le dé un poco de sabor y movemos. Y ahora ya esto queda como si fuera un pastel. A cut cake. This is now a cut cake. The dough we leave it here for half an hour to take the flour, and then we have two options: or fried or put in the oven. Normally this is fried, okay? In Andalusia they fry. My mom she fry. But we are going to do the experiment. We are going to cook to oven, to put in the oven to bake. Con las manos en la masa. Niña, te he pillado con las manos en la masa. Cocina que cocina en confinamiento. We are going to put this here in oven paper. My sister, she's very good cook as well. I don't know what you think about this. We are going to cook the omelette, the cut omelette in 180 or 200. It's okay. We just keep eyes, and when they are brown, it's cooked. Con las manos en la masa. Close, and then we wait maybe 15 minutes and we check. Okay, so in the meantime that is cooked, we can prepare a salad. Un poquito por aquí. Lo ponemos aquí. Oh, you want a nice presentation, Hannah?
Sí.
Y queda esto súper rico. Estupendo. You want carrot? No. For the salad you can do any dressing. Today we are going to have olive oil, vinegar, simple one. Sesame seed. Un poco de sal. Wow! So we have to wait for them to get brown. ¿Cómo dice doradita, Hannah? Doradas, golden. Doradas, golden. We wait for them to get golden, doradas. So maybe 5-10 more minutes and we can have delicious tortillas de bacalao.
Here's the hill. It is quite tough going, it's quite steep. Look at Juanita go!
In the meantime, you can have your aperitif chips or something because you are hungry already. So one chip, one something, one piece of apple, one piece of tomato, like that. My new show, con las manos en la masa, tortillas de bacalao, como me gusta el bacalao, por de día y por de noche. So let's turn off this because this is ready. Wow! Look at this. Look very good. It looks very good. Tastes very good.
A nice even bake.
So we are going to try one. It's the first time I cook. Oh, it's good. Delicious. Ponemos un poco mayonesa, mustard, un poquito menos, y movemos. So we are going to give some of them to the neighbor and let's see what they say, what they think.
Grazie.
Ta-da!
Look at this. I do believe that I will be able to touch.
Thank you for cooking, and thank you for watching.
Thank you for eating.
Thank you for, you're welcome. So if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, and thank you for watching.
Thank
Did
you.
say thank you for watching.
I did say thank you.
Okay, I
but
say
thank you again.
too. Yeah, me too.
Again.
Yes.
Thank you.
So we see you.
Adiós.
Hasta
luego.
pronto.